Hello everyone, today we are going to explore an incredible feature within GoHighLevel, and that is Social Planner, which helps you to manage your social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all from one place, and that is GoHighLevel, which helps you to engage with the audience without daily hassle of posting. Now, to manage your social media platforms within GoHighLevel, you will simply head to Marketing section. And here you can see the first option is Social Planner. Now here you can connect your Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and Pinterest. And to connect these social media accounts, you will simply provide your login details and then it will be automatically connected with GoHighLevel. Right now, I haven't connected any of these social media accounts with this particular sub account. Let's say we want to connect our Facebook. Then simply click on Connect Facebook button. Now, if you're not logged into the Facebook within the same browser, then GoHighLevel will first ask you to provide your Facebook ID and Facebook password. But as you can see, I am already logged into my Facebook within the same browser. So I can simply hit the Continue button. And here you can give access to your page inside, the access to manage your business, and access to manage the content and the comments. And you will be able to manage all of these tasks within GoHighLevel. So you wouldn't have to log into your Facebook every single time to manage your post, to manage your comments or anything. So it's gonna be super helpful for you because you will be able to manage everything from the GoHighLevel. Then you will be asked to select Facebook pages that you want to connect with GoHighLevel. Right now I have made just this page, so I will select this page. And it will show you connected, which means you have connected your Facebook page within Social Planner. So you will follow the same steps for all of these social media platforms. Like you will simply provide your login details, then you will edit your access options, and then your social media accounts will be connected with GoHighLevel. And then all of the linked pages or accounts will be displayed here. Like right now, we have connected just this Facebook page, so we can see it under accounts connected. But if you have multiple social media accounts connected, like from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, then that will also be displayed in this section. And then you will be able to manage all of these accounts within this section of GoHighLevel. Alright, now you know how you will connect your social media accounts to GoHighLevel Social Planner. Our next step is to manage your accounts or schedule your contents within GoHighLevel, which we will explore in our next video. But if you face any trouble in this step of connecting your social media accounts with GoHighLevel Social Planner, you may ask me in the comment section. For now, thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.